In order to breed villagers in Minecraft, there are a few things you need to make sure of first. 2 villagers will only be able to breed if they are close to each other. The villagers will need to have a full inventory of food to be willing to breed. You can give them either 3 pieces of bread, 12 potatoes, 12 carrots, or 12 beetroots. The villagers will also need beds. Each villager needs a bed, and you will also need to add an extra bed for the child. If there aren't any extra beds, then the villagers won't be able to breed. Make sure there's at least a 2-block gap above the beds. To fill the villagers' inventories with food, just drop the items for them to collect it. When the villagers have enough food, they will keep on passing items to each other until eventually you'll see hearts popping up between them, which indicates they are breeding. And a new baby villager will spawn.